Everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look into the renovation of this 25-year-old kitchen located in JP Nagar, Bangalore. This kitchen renovation was a part of the complete villa renovation which was done by Sri Hari Groups, Bangalore. As you can see in this video, this 25-year-old kitchen had too many problems in it, like the rusted door hinges and channels, cracked sink granite, stains on the backsplash tiles, chimney not in a working condition, inadequate storage space and completely outdated look. This kitchen renovation is divided into two parts. Part A is the civil renovation and Part B is the carpentry work and finishing. We were asked by our client, Mrs. Sridevi Manohar, to change the complete look of this kitchen. The major changes which she required was the total makeover of this kitchen, changing of the sink position, new baskets and pull-out unit, customized pantry unit, and the proper utilization of the dead space. So talking about the Part A, that is civil renovation. The civil renovation included breaking and removing the old kitchen cabinets and slabs, changing the direction of the sink from north to east, plastering and waterproofing of the walls before commencement of the woodwork, addition of the new electric points and setting up a new LPG gas pipeline. Once the civil renovation was completed, we moved on to the next part, that is carpentry work and finishing. As per the layout, this kitchen was divided into three units: the base, overhead and the loft. The base unit had baskets like cutlery, plane and thali with three tandem boxes and a water pull-out unit. The overhead unit had cabinets for quick access of the kitchen items required during cooking and the loft for extra storage of the materials. To ensure the stove is accessible during cooking, we added an elevated platform. The corner or the dead space is often left unused in the kitchen. Now let me show you how we have made the best use of it. As you can see, the corner is now totally accessible for storage. We have made sure this is possible by providing a two-door system with the hinges suitable for it. So this is how we renovated this 25-year-old kitchen to brand new with our proper planning and execution. To know more about the kitchen renovation, or if you're planning to get your kitchens renovated, please contact 95132 39349 or visit our website to know more. Thank you.